Hi, welcome back to Knack Hacks. My name's Jess, and today I'm going to talk to you about what a typical FCC judging session looks like. At each qualifier, a team is given 15 minutes to talk to a panel of 3 to 5 judges. You can either have your whole team or select members of your team go into this judging session. The first 5 minutes is when teams are given the option to give a 5-minute presentation about all the information about their team. You should include your general team info, your outreach, robot design process, and your programming. After this, judges are given 10 minutes to ask the team more specific questions about what they presented and their portfolio's contents. A good tip is to spread out the talking among all people in the room, as well as having experts on certain things. For example, on my team, I'm the expert about all things outreach. So if they ask an outreach question, I'm the one who jumps in to answer. Ben is our programming expert, so when they ask a programming question, he's the one to answer. Another good tip is that when judges come around to your pit area, make sure to be friendly and excited about what you're saying. If you're excited, they'll be excited. So throughout the day, have someone manning your pit ready to answer questions from judges. The last thing I should mention is that you don't have to be worried about judging. All the people there are there to watch you succeed, and all you should do is be yourselves and have fun.